Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing.
Thanks for joining us here at the 2022 Hershey RV Show. Today we are sharing with everyone the new Winnebago Solis 59P MPF Limited Edition Class B van, which is designed in partnership with the National Park Foundation. The exclusive upgrades for this limited edition include an overland style drawer system, wheels, suspension, and custom graphics. In the engine compartment, you will find a 280 horsepower 3.6 liter V6 gas engine with 3,500 pound trailer hitch capacity. There are two floor plans to choose from, with both having 20-gallon freshwater tank, a 20-gallon gray tank, and a cassette toilet with 5-gallon capacity. If you want to make sure you are cool during those hot summer days, there is a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, which is optional. To keep you warm during those cooler months, the Solis comes equipped with a Trauma Combi Eco heating system. Well, enough talking about some of the specifications and features for this unit. Let's take some time and go around the outside, and then we'll go inside to finish up this tour. So starting on the outside here, there's a gas tank that you can't access unless you have this door open. So that's a good, safe, secure way for your gas tank. And you also have a couple small windows on this side. And in here is for your toilet. You take that out to get rid of the waste in it. And here's your power hookup. And on this side, as you can see, you don't have an awning on this, but it does pop up. So you do have more headroom as a result. And these are a special edition tires. Nice treads on those. Right here we have the wet bay. Very nice. A little storage above it. And then this slides out for your storage. Put stuff in here. You can access it from inside as well, left and knees.
And you've got just some small storage spaces.
Yeah, on either side underneath here. Then this is your bed area. This netting is nice to have if you want to keep your back doors open at night and sleep. Yeah. You just come unattached right there.
Nice zipper.
And then it zippers down. Velcro at the top. So you can remove this if you want to. And you have like a little tool bag here too. A little tool compartment. Well, let's move inside.
So I'm sure many of you wonder how we're able to travel as often as we do.
One tool we like to use when looking for campgrounds is 1,000 Trails.
It's a campground membership with plans to meet your camping needs. The 1,000 Trails system offers a variety of RV sites, tent sites, and cabins, plus many offer a ton of amenities and activities. Many are located near popular vacation destinations. We found that the campgrounds serve as a perfect home base when we're exploring new areas. 1,000 Trails can work for the weekend campers, full-time RVers, and every type of camper in between. The membership specialists will work with you personally to fit the membership to your camping needs and budget. Contact Michael and Lori, membership specialists who are ready to answer your questions. And please don't forget to mention John and Mandy Go RVing when you call.
And when you open the slide door, you will find an outdoor shower, but it's technically not outside. But you can hook it up there and use it outside. That's why they did that, I guess. Another outlet down there. And you have another screen here you can zipper up if you don't want to have the door closed, so you can get some good airflow through the RV. Now that we're in here, you see we got a nice cab area with a display right here. Then up above, you have a little bit of storage. I got some things stuffed in there for now. Then up here is your loft. When this pops up, it gives you another bed area. And then right behind the cab is your seating area. You have a table, chairs next to each other, a little storage up above. You have your control center here, right behind the seats. Turn your LP on there as well, on and off. Your charge controller for your solar. And then we'll check out the kitchen. We don't have to go far to do that. Got a nice little fridge there.
With a nice National Park graphic
on
the front, which is nice.
Then you have a 2-burner stove, it looks like. Very nice. Sufficient counter space for something this small, too. Little sink here, stainless steel. It's not telescoping for the faucet. A little storage up above for dishes. And then we have some more storage underneath with an outlet. Put your silverware in that drawer. Plenty of room down here for a trash can and whatever else for cleaning supplies. And this is for your heat system here. The bed area. You have storage up above here. The shelf in there you can move up and down some for whatever you want to put in there. Storage up above. Blinders to go on the front windshield. Another thing of storage here. Outlets up there and such. And last but not least, we have the bathroom. It's a wet bath. From this direction you have a mirror. You can have the door open here to use the mirror if you need to. Thing there to hang some clothes if you want to use it for that. And your toilet area. Well, thanks everyone for joining us on this tour. And we hope that you got some good information out of this. And if you liked this video, please smash that like button and hit subscribe. Take care everyone. See you soon.